That's a nice rock. Oh, he's going to pull forward with the truck? He's going to yank on that. I want to get a good shot of that. There we go. Almost. Almost. I'll get in a better. You almost had it.
I know.
It was close. One more shot and it's coming out. Here we go. Here it goes. Yeah! Oh! Close. Did them front wheels come off the ground?
Yeah.
One more. Well, it brought it up. I got rocks just like this on my driveway that I moved with my backhoe. I'm gonna give it another shot. No. Oh well. He's got a smile on his face. I'm gonna winch it.
Hey Lou, you need more help up here.
Between a rock and a tow truck spot.